What's up, guys? This is 45123, also known as Carlos G313. On forums, got another installation of a 2013 Nissan 370Z. This guy just bought it. I'm doing a component setup, which is the infinity reference. The tweeters, I got that installed. Pretty much to install a component system is very, very easy, but you do have to take your time. You do have to be careful, as everything mostly plastic, and this is actually kind of like rubberized plastic. You can scratch up the interior very easily. First things you want to do for the tweeter pod right here, get this little pick right here. Got it from Snap-on, probably about 40 bucks a set. All you do is try to take it up here on the bottom and kind of lift it up. Don't worry if you think you're bending the edge right here. It won't do anything at all. But you gotta be careful. See, as I snap it on, and we got some infinity. Just installed the tweeter on there. I don't want to take it fully out, but whichever holder it has, use that, as you would not require any screwing or pretty much any modification other than what it comes with the infinity reference component set. These will go for $249 at usually your local retailers. And that's pretty much it for the tweeters. Also did on the other side. Easy to run the cables. Now with the 6.5 mid, you do have to use the spacers that it comes with it. Does come, everything comes included on Infinities. And I had to use a little butt connection. Remember to check your polarity, which one's positive, which one's negative from your factory mid. As right now, the purple will be the positive on the driver's, the passenger side. And pretty much, if you don't want to check the polarity on the driver's side, take a hand when you're facing up and facing down towards the speaker while it's facing up. The left wire would be your positive. So as you can see here, and a little instruction how to take out the door panel. It's fairly easy, but like I said, you do have to be careful. You would need some sort of a flat puller and also a 10mm socket. If I can find somewhere right here, which is right here. It's magnetic, also from Snap-on. And of course, taking out the rods and the push-pull cables, it's very, very simple. Self-explanatory. Go to the other side. So first things first. See the cracks right here? There is a triangular, somewhat of a plastic cover. Make sure you slide it to where it will not scratch up the plastic. Just put it. Let me show you that one more time. So I kind of focus it out. Okay. See, there's no damage at all. Just go down here. Bam. Screw number one. It's kind of a little difficult to do with one hand. Impact driver from Snap-on. Magnetic. Alrighty, second one. This little deal right here. Bam, number two. Now what you would need is somewhat of a door panel puller. You get at your local auto parts store for like about 10 bucks, 12 bucks. And pretty much too far. Be careful with the rods. Make sure you don't pull it and break it, and you will have a bad day. Bam. Checking out the rods. much you have to take out these connectors right here. That's one. Put this down really quick. I'll use this. Bam! Under a minute and a half, 2 minutes. If you're using two hands, you pretty much will take it out less than a minute. And we'll use three 10mm bolts. Yeah, we'll use three 10mm bolts. That's one. That's two. That's three. Plastic wrap. That's what you have to put on first. And then the speaker itself, take the scroll off since it would not fit with the grill on.